Hi guys, welcome back to another new video. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can active your Windows. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, click on the settings option on the start button. Alternatively, you can type settings in the search bar and open it. Once you are in settings, scroll down and go to Windows Update or click on system option. Inside the system menu, you will see several different options. Scroll all the way down and you will see find the about section. I will zoom in a bit so you can see it more clearly. Under related option, you will find product key and activation. Click on it and it will take you to the activation page. From here, you can active your Windows. As you can see, my activation state shows as active. It's activated with a digital license linked to my Microsoft account. If your Windows isn't activated yet, you can activate it from here. Since I have already purchased mine, it's showing me the activation option. If I hadn't purchased it yet, I need to buy it first. Then follow this simple step. And that's how you can active Windows 11 or Windows 10 through the Microsoft Store. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you all have any question, let me know in the comments below and I will do my best to reply as quickly as possible. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.